Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Kite AI wallet address on Binance. As you can see, this is the chart and Kite token just get listed on Binance Spot. And if you want to transfer your Kite token from other wallets or airdrop, you have to find the wallet address first, and I will show you step by step in this video. So first, you can open your Binance apps. Make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced here. You can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit. And then you can search Kite. This one you can click it. Then there are 3 network. You can choose whatever you want. But you have to understand, you have to choose the same network when you transfer your Kite. So let's say I will choose BSC here because it's cheaper and faster. And this is my Kite wallet address on Binance. I can just copy it or scan it, and when I want to transfer it, I will choose the same network, which is BSC. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.